Alright, Dennis here from PipsMatter.com. This is a very special video going out right to our member Nathan, who's shared a USDCHF chart and asked me what I think about it. We're looking at the weekly chart of USDCHF. The most important things that you need to see here, I've already mapped out. The first one is the red trend line, sorry, the red resistance level, which you can clearly see has worked here and numerous times in different areas. But what's helping me out the most here, the blue one here I'm going to ignore because let's just focus on this for now. So we have the next level is right up here, resistance. You can see that at 1.03165, and then we have the reason this could be a good selling opportunity is because we have a short-tailed bearish candlestick bar right here from last trading week. The reason I'm on the weekly chart is, of course, it's Sunday right now, the 4th of November, and what I'm looking at every Sunday is I try to go over, well, I don't try, I do it. I go over the weekly chart. Now, I do that every Sunday and Wednesday of every week. I check the weekly charts. The monthly charts I review on the 1st, the 15th, and the last day of the trading month. And the daily charts, well, I review them twice a day, if I have the time, of course. So yeah, this could be a good selling potential. It has decent selling potential. It's right at a nice here resistance, which has been tested numerous times, all the way since 2015. That's 3 years. It's been, I mean, it's worked like a magic so far. Now, of course, if this area gets broken, well, then we're probably going all the way up here to the 1.03165, and that's a big move. Excuse me, I'm yawning. And that's a big move. That's a honey of a move. That's 240 something pips, which is really good. But we'll see if that can work out. Now, I didn't go into the daily chart that much. We do have a pin bar there now. It is a bullish pin bar on the daily chart. Look, so let's go like this. Okay, so there it is. You can see right there. There is a bullish pin bar, and that could be the reason, maybe, just maybe, for USD CHF to break up to the upside. But I don't think that's going to happen, you know. I don't think that's going to happen because we have a bearish engulfing, a big one, right there. A strong bearish engulfing candle. You see the bullishness and then boom, it's totally wiped out. So maybe, just maybe, that's going to be a good reason for us to go lower. Maybe the pin bar will be ignored. You can see that there was selling pressure, and then the NFP came out. So we need to take this into account. The NFP came out much better than expected, and that pushed the dollar a little higher during Friday's late trading sessions. So maybe price action will ignore this. We have a big trading week coming up. So Nathan, I'm with you. I still think that USDCHF is down. I did release a trade about the USDCHF that it should be going down. Let's see. I mean, this could be a breakout here, right there. It could be a breakout, then back to the support level here, and then price action could go higher, could go lower. We don't know. We'll have to wait a couple of days. If I was in your place, Nathan, I wouldn't rush into this one too quickly. I'd give it a couple of days, or at least a few hours of movement to see how price action starts reacting on Monday. Now remember, we do have a big trading week. We have that stuff happening with the US. I released a post about all of this, so you need to go to the website and check it out, PipsMatter.com, and head to the blog. Now the bearish engulfing is good. We have plenty of reasons to sell. We have a few reasons to buy. Remember, one of the trading rules is always check the upside and the downside of each trade. So that's what I'm doing now. I will continue doing this, and we'll see if there is anything else to do. Now, naturally, we should be going down to the 4-hour chart, as we always do. And if you come to the 4-hour chart, well, there's not much happening. There is a pin bar right there, a bullish one, but then you got a bearish one right here. So, you know, so it's one of those weird moments that we just don't know what's going to happen. So it's better to give it a go by waiting. there is key trading levels in play, there is candlesticks in play, news is coming up, and I think that the best thing we can do is wait this one out. Now I do want to go on Euro JPY very quickly. This is the 4-hour chart. There is a nice, very nice head and shoulders pattern right here, and you can see that the sideways here, it's coming up sideways, and you can see that there are good reasons to buy this one. And I did buy it on Friday. I was a bit greedy. I wanted to go in, secure myself prior to the weekend. And I think that it should work out well. I did release a post about this specific trade in my weekly trading ideas setup that I released a couple of minutes ago. You need to go and check it out, and you'll find out all the reasons I'm buying. There's 5 reasons why I'm buying this pair, and all 5 are very, very, very solid. The buying potential on this one is massive. It's huge. I mean, easily a couple of hundred pips. Let me just go on my chart here and find Euro JPY. There it is. So I've got 2 take profits, and you can see that in the blog. I'm not going to share them with you right here, right now. Actually, yeah, I'm not going to do that right now. It's going to just mess everything up. So the first take profit is about 90 pips away, and the second take profit is just a sec is 327 pips away, and it's all the way up here, somewhere up here. But yeah, anyway, check out the blog post and you'll find everything there. Good potential on Euro JPY, plenty of trading ideas coming up this week, as every week, especially if you're day and swing trading. For the trend traders, well, they gotta wait. Trend trading, I trade about 10% of my time. Of my trades are trend trades, which is a very small amount. It's probably even 10. It's probably like 2%. It's like 2, 3, 4 trades a year. But those guys, those little trades of trend trading are the ones where you can make seriously big money. But I can make much more day and swing trading. Of course, there is more risk involved, but if you apply proper risk management, you will do just fine. Alright guys, my name is Dennis. Thank you for watching this video. Dream big. Be grateful. Try your fucking best every single day. Keep going. Have your system. Make sure it's complete. And the most important thing I gotta tell you here is take it 1 trade at a time. 1 trade at a time. Okay, good night. Good luck trading in the new week. See ya.